Imagine a strange battlefield. On one side stand powerful military alliances like the United States and Israel. They possess advanced fighter jets, cutting-edge radar, and sophisticated air defense systems. Yet a small and inexpensive weapon is breaking through these powerful defenses. This very weapon is now keeping military analysts awake at night. We are talking about Iran's Shahed 136 drone. It is a kamikaze, or suicide drone. This drone has changed the rules of warfare. Here, economic intelligence matters more than brute force. Stopping a cheap drone can require missiles worth millions of dollars, a $20,000 drone versus a $3 million interceptor. As a result, the economics of modern warfare are no longer the same. They are rapidly shifting in ways the world has never seen before. Although simple in appearance, the Shahed 136 may look basic, but in reality, it is extremely deadly. It is known as a loitering munition, a weapon that waits, watches, and strikes at the perfect moment. It circles silently in the sky, waiting for the perfect moment, and then it strikes without warning. It destroys itself upon impact, taking the target down with it. Its sound resembles something unexpected, like an old scooter passing by. And that's exactly why it has earned the nickname, the flying scooter. This sound creates a deep psychological fear among soldiers, a constant reminder that danger could strike at any moment. The drone weighs around 220 kilograms, heavier than it looks, built for a single deadly mission. Its wingspan is about 3 meters, small in size, but built for long-range precision. It carries between 30 to 50 kilograms of explosives, enough to cause devastating impact on its target. It can travel at speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour, fast enough to strike before anyone can react. It uses a simple gasoline engine, making it cheap, reliable, and easy to produce. It is guided by GPS, allowing it to navigate accurately toward its target. Even if GPS is jammed, it does not lose its path. It continues toward its target without deviation. Because it is equipped with an inertial navigation system, allowing it to stay on course even without GPS. It can detect and attack enemy radar signals, locking onto them before striking with precision.
Target locked. Firing sequence initiated.
The real power of this drone lies in its low cost, making it far more dangerous than it appears. Compared to expensive missiles, it is incredibly cheap, yet just as effective on the battlefield. When launched in large numbers, these drones can overwhelm even the most advanced defense systems, pushing them beyond their limits. Million-dollar interceptors get depleted quickly, draining resources faster than they can be replaced. This is known as attrition warfare, a strategy designed to wear down the enemy over time. The goal is simple: to weaken the enemy economically until they can no longer sustain the fight. Draining the enemy's weapons becomes the key strategy, forcing them to exhaust their arsenal faster than they can replace it. The Shahed 136 proves that expensive weapons aren't everything. Sometimes, simplicity can be just as powerful. Cheap but smart technology can be just as powerful, sometimes even more effective than expensive systems. Will future wars be controlled by drones and AI, shaping the battlefield in ways we've never seen before? What do you think?